here from Preferred Physical Therapy. We're gonna go over a chin exercise with you today. Here at Preferred Physical Therapy, we help people 40 plus stay active and independent, live free from painkillers, and avoid surgery. So this one for your neck, super simple exercise. We're actually gonna head over to the table for this one. It's gonna be working on stretching the back, neck extensors of our upper cervical spine. We'll go show you that one here right now. All right, so this exercise, like I was saying before, the chin nod, we're working on stretching the back of our upper neck. We're getting out of this forward flexed posture that we are usually in if we're at a computer throughout the day. So what we wanna do to start, we wanna try to give ourselves a double chin here. We're gonna bring our chin down. I'm going towards my Adam's apple, and you're gonna see that chin appear. Once I'm here, I'm gonna lift up and hold this. And as I feel that stretch through here, I'm also strengthening these deep neck flexor muscles that are often ignored. I want to do this 10 times for a 5-second hold. Again, bringing my chin towards my Adam's apple and holding. Hope this exercise was helpful. Hope you're feeling that stretch back behind your neck. Encouraging you to do this one 10 times for me. Try to do a 5-second hold at the top if you can, or whatever you can tolerate to start building to that 5-second mark. We'll do that 2 rounds throughout the day.